Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Connect Info System LLP. So in today's video we will be discussing about the warranty claims management in the ERPNext. So let us begin. So first in the item we need to configure that a particular product is on warranty period. So let us set up the warranty details for the Sony SLR camera. So in the inventory section we need to define the warranty period for the particular product. So we have selected that the particular warranty period is 365 days and the particular product should be having a serial number. So if you want we can set the series of the serial number one. So let us save it now. So once we are done with the item configuration, then let us create a inward entry for the Sony camera. So from this awesome word, let us navigate to the purchase receipt. And let us create a purchase receipt for the particular item. So select the supplier first for the purchase receipt. Then add the items in the item code. And then let us select the accepted quantity. Let us put it to 5. And then finalize the rate of the particular product. So once we are done with the purchase receipt, click on save button. And then we need to submit it. And then we can see that the serial number is being automatically created. So let us watch out the serial number for the particular items. So for the specific serial number, so similarly we can check out the particular serial number is being created right now. These are the 5 product I have created the serial number. Then moving on to the delivery note. Based on the delivery note date, the warranty date should be fixed for the particular product. So now let us now we are creating a delivery note. So let us add a delivery note. So we are selecting the customer out here and then adding the now adding the item to the particular delivery note. So we need to select the CD number for the delivery order. So let us set it to the auto fetch. So let us select the item rate and then save it. So let us submit a delivery note. So once we are done with the delivery note on the back end, the warranty date has been saved. So now let us create a warranty claim for the particular product. So if you want we can navigate from this awesome bar or we can move out from this menu. In the support module we have a warranty claim. So let us add a warranty claim. If you want we can fetch from the serial number also, but the customer name is being fetched out here. Then we can describe the issue with respect to the particular product. So this is a particular issue, shutter button is unresponsive. And then if further there is extension in the warranty period as a AMC annual maintenance cost, then we can set the expiry date of the AMC if there is extension in the further in the warranties. So we can see that the customer details is being fetched out here from the customer master, and if there is a difference in the service address then we can mention the service address out here. So let us save it, and based on this we can schedule the maintenance visit for the warranty claim. So we can schedule the maintenance visit from here. We need to select the status of the visit. What is the status of the visit? Then we need to add the salesperson out here. Who's the salesperson who will be taking the in charge of this particular maintenance. And then if he has any completed the work, then he can set the work done out here. If it is in process, he will mark that it is in process. So from here he has scheduled the maintenance visit. So further moving back to the warranty claim, and from here you can update the status for the warranty claim if the work has been completed. So or if the product is out of warranty period due to some like the mistake of the customer, like whether he has used the product wrongly and the customer has done the damage. Now in that case we can close the warranty period, or we can set to work in progress. So now let us save it. So the currently the warranty claim status is in work in progress. So once it is done, then we can set to close. So this was all about the warranty claim management in the ERPNext. I hope so this video was useful. Do like, comment, share and subscribe for such useful videos of the ERPNext. Thank you.